In the beginning was the wood, and the wood was good, but not good enough. And it came to pass that on the first day the wood did speak commandments unto the tools, saying, Let me be divided asunder. And it was so. And on the second day the wood again spoke, saying, I will that I am made thin. Yea, and it was so. And it came to pass that on the third day the wood did come again and say, Let it be so this day that I become smooth. And the rough edges and surfaces did become smooth. Verily, on the fourth day the wood did cry out again, saying, It is meet that my soul cometh alive, that I may show unto the world my kingly beauty. And behold, it did begin to shine forth. But there was no rest, for on the fifth day the wood did cry out, Let us diversify, each unto our own design. And lo, the pieces were separated, according to their specific shape and measurement. And on the sixth day the wood lamented, saying, It is not good for wood to be alone. May we come together as one. And by the power of the wood was it done, even unto the glorifying thereof. And it came to pass that on the seventh day that the tools rested, and did rejoice exceedingly. Packages were created and sealed, gifts were given, and all did rejoice one with another. And in the same year the glory of the wood was spread across the land, saying, Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that layeth down his dollar for but one of these creations, the same shall be recompensed with glory untold.